We do have temperatures that are going to be cooling behind the front that brought the thunderstorm activity to the Ohio River Valley yesterday in the lower Great Lakes. And let's take a look at that. So for your Friday daytime high, Chicago, of course, getting a bit of that lake influence still. 46, that's about it for you. You'll only do about 46 in Boston as well. How about New York, 59? But then we take you down to the south and look at that temperature boundary or that gradient. Atlanta, Georgia at around 86, so very mild, very warm, I should say, in Florida. So we've been seeing very warm conditions all week in Florida. Dry conditions as well, not helping the wildfire situation, and very warm out west as well in the desert southwest. So I thought I'd just show our almanac. Where should we be this time of year for Miami? About 84. Well, highest temperature on record was only 2 years ago. It was 92 on April 21st. Very dry conditions, which mean the severe level drought is still ongoing, and we're really not going to get much in the way of rainfall to really have an impact on that drought. Let's just highlight some of the temperatures, though. Very warm in the southeast. So Atlanta 86, that's above seasonal for you today. Birmingham 86, down through New Orleans 82, Tampa almost 90, Orlando almost 90. How about a 90 for tomorrow on Saturday for you in Orlando? Miami sitting closer to seasonal, but again, Orlando very warm again on Sunday, but look at that temperature difference, 55 in Nashville, and then we've got 80s and only 60s in Atlanta. So you can see where that cool air is going to dig down. It's going to only get to probably about the northern panhandle of Florida, and through the peninsula is going to be very hot. Okay, so Monday, a little bit cooler. Orlando at about 82. Let's watch that rain threat. So we've got those stalled out thunderstorms today through the Tennessee River Valley. And then we've got these storms that'll move along on 95 corridor, but not enough in the way of rainfall for Florida. Extreme southern Florida and the Everglades might get a little bit, but up towards where we really need it, not enough at all in terms of having an impact for the wildfires. So just a few safety tips for the heat, because if you're dealing with the heat, it might be a while since you've seen that kind of heat. So keep your house ventilated and cool, have the air conditioning on. Never leave children or pets in vehicles. We know this, but please abide by that. Stay out of the sun, minimal exercise if you can get away with it, and have a bottle of water. And always think of the elderly and those with breathing conditions a little bit more susceptible to the heat.